Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Cuba doing a room tour. 1227. I got a bit of a room upgrade. Let's see, ignore my suitcase. Okay, so you walk in the room. Here is, let me point this out too. Oh look, it's a Dollarama sticker for $3. Well, I guess that marks the spot where I'm at. Interesting. Please note that there's no lock here, but this part locks, so that makes me feel a little bit more secure. There is a safe, and I got the key for that, which is amazing. Blankets in case you get cold. That is not a mirror. This is a spotty mirror. Here I am. Coffee maker. There is also a mini bar that has nothing in it. Hopefully they can remedy that. The bed for me looks really nice. Flat screen TV over here. Pictures. You know, I had a room last night and it was not a great room. I get there at story time. I get there at 11 o'clock at night, and then I'm up 4 flights of stairs with my 50-pound suitcase, and there is no elevator because the elevator's broken. So I get to my room, the door doesn't even lock, and the little key over here thing doesn't work, nor does the actual key doesn't work. They said that they didn't have a key for the safe. There was a little bit of mold in the room, but believe it or not, this is a room upgrade. Ignore the punches in the wall. All right, bathroom, here we go. Okay, let me show you how tall this, I'm gonna put my camera on the floor, but you can see how tall the tub is. It's pretty tall. Anyways, shower head, some sort of thing on the thing, this is that. They do have a hair dryer, whatever this means, that sticker. It does come with this beautiful, luxurious body lotion and shampoo and conditioner and a little tiny soap. Toilet. The window is open. Here is my view. Hey. I'll show you another view. Oh. Towels. Now, if you actually stay at this hotel, oh look, bath towel. Make sure you pack a washcloth if you're interested in washcloths, because they don't have any washcloths here. Here I am again. There's a big mirror. All right, so let me show you my really nice balcony. This is a really nice curtain. Balcony. Ooh, doesn't even lock. Here we go. Here's some people that are sunburned. They're dancing, having fun, singing, and here's the chairs. Oh, there's the bathroom. Not a bad, let me show the door. Not a bad little room. I went and booked my vacation through Sunwing Vacations, and the representative here was really nice. So, of course, that is it for my room tour. There's an old school telephone. Haven't tested out the bed yet, but I'm really excited to have a giant bed. So, all right, thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you got questions. I'll try and answer them. Okay, thanks, bye.